Today we're making chewy granola bars in the microwave. You'll need 5 ingredients. Old-fashioned or quick-cooking oats, chocolate chips, butter, brown sugar, and corn syrup. Mix everything together except for the chocolate chips. At this point, you could also add a handful of raisins or your favorite chopped nut.
Tasty.
Once mixed, pour everything into a lightly greased 9 by 9 inch pan and flatten it with a spatula. Then microwave on high for 4 minutes. Carefully remove the pan from the microwave. Sprinkle the chocolate chips on top. Microwave for 1 more minute and then spread those chips into a frosting. Refrigerate for 30 minutes and then cut into bar-shaped pieces.
Thank you. Good. Tasty.
And that's all it takes to make chewy granola bars in the microwave.